The insights gained in recent years are also incorporated into our RKS series. Proven technology in a new design. Perfectly tailored for efficient operation and energy and time savings. A true upgrade for bakeries that are already thinking about tomorrow. The RKS 240, RKS 350 and RKS 480 systems can be designed with a thermal oil heating system for roasting and cooking or with an ice water recooling system for the production of Poolish and wheat sourdough. Now let's get to the specific details. For convenient filling, the RKS 260 system is equipped with a fold-out platform. Grid support. This serves three functions. It provides additional safety for workers. It can be used to place flour or grain bags on the grid when filling the system and to catch foreign objects. Removing the scrapers for cleaning or maintenance is easy. Simply lift and remove. The inserted grate adjusts automatically when the hinged lid is closed. For the homogeneous mixing of your product, as well as even temperature distribution or the efficient emptying of seeds, cooking pieces, and doughs, this system also uses our robust spiral agitator with a quick change scraper system. The agitator motor is designed for left and right rotation and 2 speeds. The high speed is used for mixing and later cleaning the system. The low speed is used for roasting and during the production of cooking pieces or Poolish, for example, and can be controlled in intervals in both left and right rotation. Automated targeted jet cleaning. The cleaners we use create an orbital cleaning pattern through a rotating head movement and simultaneous rotation of the nozzles. The perfectly coordinated and flow-optimized components enable the interior of the tank, including the rotating spiral agitator, to be cleaned effectively and efficiently. Thanks to our angled filling opening, there are no cleaning shadows or dead spaces. This ensures residue-free follow-up cleaning if necessary. The design of our systems doesn't begin on a computer, but rather on site at the customer's premises. It all begins with the product to be produced and the associated dough technology. Accordingly, we remain true to our motto, process engineering meets dough technology, with the RKS series and offer you additional options, such as the technical upgrade with weighing cells. Our RKS system series at a glance. Please note that our heating elements are manually adjustable in terms of power consumption. The most energy-efficient setting is determined during commissioning. The RKS 350 and RKS 480 versions, in particular, are also suitable for automation due to their larger capacity. Below is an example based on an RKS 350 with automated filling and a subsequent cooling container to process the cooking piece as quickly as possible, while also enabling a continuous supply of cooking piece to production. During a cooling phase, the RKS system can either produce another cooking piece or roast seeds after a short cleaning interval. If the RKS system is used, for example, for Poolish production, then it can serve as a preparation tank and the cooling tank can function as a storage tank. We hope that this presentation has given you a first impression of our RKS system series. Do you have any questions? We're happy to help. Your MBComponents team.